Today we are casing our button bags. So as you can see, the bags are many. So when we are casing, we use pasteurized casing soil. Our pasteurized casing soil will actually show you in another video how to pasteurize the soil. So when you are adding, you need to have a block, maybe a plank. You cut it. It's 3 centimeters. If it's 3 centimeters like this, you put it on the bag. Then you cover the whole plank with soil, like this pasteurized soil. You cover the whole plank. Then when it's level with the plank, you remove your plank, fill in with soil on the part. Okay, simple as that. You're gonna do it again on this bag as well. If you look in the bag, you see that mycelium is spread. So you put your plank here, 3 centimeters. Then you cover it with pasteurized soil, what we call casing soil. All right. Then you remove here. Then you add with soil. Just like that, you're done. All right. So you can see the guys are actually doing that on the other bags that we have. So you expect that when you've put your casing soil, in the next 2 weeks, the spawn or the mycelium is now covering the soil, the pasteurized soil. Then you expect after 2 weeks to start seeing pinions growing there. We'll show you in another video how to water the casing soil.